This is a fully local coding agent setup. It works with Claude, Codex, Gemini, and dozens of other AI models right on your machine. No cloud dependency, no vendor lock-in. If you want to see how it works, check out conductros.com. But today, we are looking at something different, a completely free course that teaches you how to use one of the most powerful open-source coding agents out there. Zeke Cyclianos just announced OpenCode School. It is a free, self-paced course that teaches you how to use OpenCode, an open-source AI coding agent you install on your own computer. No account required. No personal data collected. Free forever. The announcement hit hard on X, and the course is already live at opencode.school. Let me walk you through what is inside. The course has 14 lessons, and each one builds on the last. You start with installation, checking your system specs, downloading the desktop app, and getting it running. Then you do an interview where you tell OpenCode about yourself so it can tailor its behavior to your workflow. Configuration comes next, creating a global config file. Permissions lets you control what OpenCode can and cannot do without asking you first. Instructions lets you write custom rules that OpenCode follows in every session. Models is where you choose which AI providers to use, and OpenCode supports over 75 of them. Commands lets you create custom/commands for tasks you run repeatedly. Skills lets you install reusable agent behaviors. Tools lets you extend OpenCode with external tools and MCP servers. Plugins adds even more extensibility, tools, event hooks, and external service integrations. Agents introduces plan and build agents that think before they act. Sessions lets you manage and resume conversations. Images lets you share screenshots and photos with OpenCode. And Workspaces lets you run multiple parallel tasks on the same project without file conflicts. 14 lessons from zero to productive. Let me show you what the course actually looks like. The interface is dark, clean, and minimal. On the left you have a sidebar with all 14 lessons numbered. On the right is the main content area. When you first enroll, you get a student ID, a purple card with a unique identifier like yours. The lesson pages are well structured. Take installation as an example. You land on a system check that verifies your operating system, CPU cores, memory, and internet connection. Each requirement gets a purple checkmark when it passes. Once your system is ready, you see download buttons, one for Apple Silicon and one for Intel Max. There is also a homebrew one-liner as an alternative. Below that, instructions for launching the app and a short video walkthrough. The whole experience feels polished and intentional. No fluff, no filler, just clear steps to get you set up and productive. Beyond the lessons, there are 5 hands-on exercises. Build a website teaches you to create a personal homepage with Hano and deploy it to Cloudflare workers. Run AI models has you generating images and video using AI models on Replicate. Edit videos teaches you to edit videos from the command line using FFmpeg and WhiteDLP. Transcribe speech has you transcribing audio to text locally using Whisper. And Drive a browser automates your real browser using Chrome DevTools MCP. These are not toy examples. These are real projects that produce real output. So, what is OpenCode exactly? It is a free, open-source AI coding agent that you install on your personal computer. The primary interface is a chat window, much like ChatGPT or Claude, where you have a back-and-forth dialogue with an AI model. But instead of just chatting, OpenCode can read and write files, write code, run commands, and interact with other applications. Despite the name, it is not just for software. You can automate any task on your computer. And unlike proprietary tools like Claude Code or OpenAI Codex, OpenCode works with over 75 AI model providers. You can also run open-source models locally with Ollama, LM Studio, or llama.cpp, no cloud account needed. Enrolling is dead simple. Go to opencode.school, pick a color for your student ID card and site theme, and you are in. No account. No email. No personal data. The course is created and sponsored by Cloudflare, and the whole thing is open source on GitHub. Whether you are a student, a hobbyist, a professional developer, or just curious about AI, this course will expand what you can do with a coding agent on your own machine. That is OpenCode School. 14 lessons, 5 exercises, completely free. If you want to run your own local coding agent setup, check out conductros.com. The GitHub repo is at github.com/opencodeschool/opencode.school. Go enroll, star the repo, and start building. Links are in the description.